Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to use segmentation automation in ActiveCampaign. And this is one of the most powerful features that allows you to target specific groups of contacts based on their behavior, interests, or demographics. All right, to get started, head over to the Automations tab and create a new automation. Go ahead and use Start from Scratch. Great. For the trigger, you can use something like when a contact is tagged or when a contact opens an email. So let's go ahead and click on Opens Read an Email. You can then go ahead and choose Standard. All right, and then select email. We'll leave it as any email in any list. Run once, and let's segment the contacts entering this automation. Let's do it by location. Let's go by country is, let's see, Cayman Islands, and add start. All right, so basically once you've chosen your trigger and you start adding conditions, it can be based on any segmentation that you want. For example, you could segment contacts based on not just their location, but maybe purchase history or engagement with your emails. All right, so once the conditions are set, you can apply actions specific to each segment, like sending tailored emails, applying tags, or adding them to a different automation. So just let's do a simple send an email. And then we'll just put in location Cayman. Start with template. Okay. All right, so let's tell your customers from Cayman Islands about a special promotion on maybe diving equipment. So we're having a special promotion on diving gear. Let's save and exit. Great. So as you can see, segmentation allows you to make your marketing more personalized and effective. Your automation is now segmented and ready to deliver highly targeted content to your audience. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, hit the free trial link in the description and start optimizing your email marketing today.